Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Super Mario Bros. On guitar, updated. Start by tuning your guitar to standard E and sit comfortably with a pick or fingerstyle setup. I will break the theme into 4 short phrases and show fingering, rhythm, and small practice loops. Focus on timing first, then add dynamics and accents so the melody really sings. Keep sessions short and steady for best progress. Start phrase 1 with the opening motif and isolate it for 10 to 20 repetitions at a slow tempo. I'll demonstrate exact frets and fingers, then show how to connect phrase 1 to phrase 2 cleanly. Emphasize even timing and small hand movements to avoid extra string noise. Once comfortable, gradually raise the tempo and loop with a metronome until the transitions feel natural and relaxed. We will focus on rhythm and small techniques that make the tune recognizable and fun to play. I explain where short staccato notes and light palm muting add that bouncing arcade character. Then, I show a few tasteful hammer-ons and grace notes to give the melody personality without overcomplicating it. Practice these elements slowly, then layer them into the main phrases once you feel confident and steady.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.